Go.
Have you seen a thing like this before? Somebody went to the farm since morning and he's getting dark. She's not yet back.
Mama,
have you checked in there?
Mama, I have gone inside this hut no less than 2 times. See,
okay.
I am very sure that that foolish girl deceived you. That she was going to the farm. She didn't go anywhere. She went to see a man. Hey, Mama. Okay.
Yeah, she went to see a man. In this my house. Nimu Roma. Man. What kind of man? She will come back here and meet me. Where are you coming back to?
Mama, I'm coming back from the farm.
I know you're coming back from the farm. Why should you come back from the farm by this time?
Mama, I was so tired that I slept off.
You again?
I slept off in the farm.
You slept off in the farm? So, and we're bedding on a farm, okay? You slept on a bed or what? I mean, I want to understand. You slept in the farm. How?
Mama, I became so tired.
Please don't.
Yes.
Oh, she became so tired. But the only thing I want to say is that you are going to sleep outside today. Ma'am, you are sleeping outside today. That's what? You are not entering it. Oh, come in.
Mama, please.
Don't touch me.
Please.
Mama, what? Who is your mother? Mama. Onye mama gi kam na ju. Onye mama gi.
You don't know your mother? She's just my mother. She's only my mother.
Why isn't she here yet?
I don't know, my prince.
Are you sure this is the right spot?
Yes, my prince.
Because if it isn't, I will have your head.
Yes, my prince.
Hey, how dare you keep me long this waiting? Or do I need to remind you that I am the crown prince of this great kingdom?
I'm sorry, my prince. I don't think I have any answer to that.
I will give you few more days to think about this. You better make the right choice. You may take your leave. Now!
Afufu ebwemu, iwegezi nebo bibe.
My son, Onyeka, has refused to look for another maiden and make her his bride.
Igwe, I suggest we call Onyeka so that we'll hear from her. This is Obuasi.
What's her called? Oneru.
Igwe, we have many beautiful maidens in this kingdom. Why Onyeka?
Oh no, make sure Onyeka is here tomorrow.
Igwe, I will do as you have just said. This year, we beg to take our leave.
I cannot take this anymore. I am telling you this because you are my father and the king of this great kingdom. The maiden who has captured my heart has refused my proposal.
Kill it!
Lolo, calm down. Gonne,
Yes, father.
if she refuses your proposal, there are a lot of maidens in our land. Forget her and look for another.
Father, I am sorry I cannot do that. She is mine and will forever remain mine.
Ugbene, come back here! Ugbene, how dare you walk out on your father? Where are you seeing? This is what you want. Are you happy now?
Listen, Lolo, I am the king. I am the king. If she refuses, let to go Naya and look for another maiden.
Ah!
What's up?
Igwe!
Eh?
Igwe!
I am the king.
Igwe, Prince Ugonna made his intentions known to me. But I told him I am not interested, yet he kept persuading me.
What? Father, did you just hear my woman said I am persuading her? How dare you?
Enough! My son, I said enough! Young maiden, you may leave. Son,
Father,
that is not how to behave. Not all requests should be granted. If you make their request and don't use it by force, there are a lot of maidens in this kingdom. Oh no! There are so many maidens in this kingdom.
Yes.
Why not look for maidens?
Father, I am not less happy until she becomes mine and mine alone. Father, how can a common maiden refuse my proposal? I am the crown prince of this kingdom. Father!
Yes.
Papa, you should have waited for me to come back and help you now.
What?
Papa?
My son, you are really welcome.
But you should have waited now.
No, don't worry
You should have
yourself.
waited.
Don't worry yourself, my son. Let me just handle it. It's not a problem. You are back. Welcome, eh?
Aye. Papa, Papa, I want to go and see my friend Okadike.
Are you going out again?
Yes, Papa.
You just came in now and you are leaving.
Yes, Papa.
Where are you going to war?
Papa, I want to go and see my friend Okadike. Okadike.
Your friend?
Yes, Papa.
Why can't you have some rest? Then in the evening, you go and see your friend.
Papa, that rest have to wait. If I come back, I'll rest it. It's very important. Let me go and see him.
It's important.
Yes, Papa.
And my Papa, may the gods of our man protect you, eh?
Okadike. Mora. Okadike. It's boy. Hi, Okadike. This one looks so excited. Okadike, why would he die? What is the secret? Why would he die, my brother? Okadike, guess what?
I'm not good at gazing now.
When I was farming,
Yes. I saw 2 maidens.
yeah, Papa will know that yes, I really work. And I have to hurry up so that I'll go before the sun will come out. Yes. Let me do quick and go home. So that I can make sure Papa. Yes.
One of them wave at me.
Yaka.
Mora,
Okadike.
in for 2 maidens.
Yes.
Yakijine meko umaka. Shadow the moon. Is that all?
Okadike. You are telling me is that all?
Yes.
Hi, Okadike. Okadike.
You.
Hi. Okadike. Why wouldn't I be excited? Huh?
Why would you be excited? You saw 2 maidens.
I have to.
And so what?
I have to. I tell you, one of them wave at me. I wave her back. So you're not happy with that?
I'm happy now. The most beautiful maiden of my time.
I just hope you accept this. I seriously wish you can accept this little gift of mine. I love you so much.
Alright. I just hope you accept this little token from me. Oh, Mora. I hope
you will love me the same way I love you. Now, what's keeping him now? What's keeping water? Hi. Where is he now? What is wrong with you? Are you mad? If not for one reason, I would have slapped you.
Mama, I'm only joking with you.
Did I tell you I want to joke with you? Did I tell you to play with me? What is your problem?
Mama, I'm just playing with you.
You are just playing with me.
Yes.
Did I ask you to play with me?
I'm just playing.
Did I ask you to play with me?
Listen,
the next time you try this nonsense again, I will report you to my mother. And you know what that means. You fool.
I can't imagine myself receiving a gift from a maiden. My father used to tell me that that means Mora. Yeah,
Afufu webwemu, yuwegizi never bibi, nemo na namo, biko no bya moromo.
What is it? Did you just call me by my name? But I've swept here. And who are you to tell me where and where not to put ash in my own father's compound? Mirima, you know this is not good.
What is it? Mirima.
As an adult, once you wake up in the morning, just pass out. Just see how you're smelling. Need to go and do
Why have you chosen to treat me this way? Why? With all this stuff, even my own sister. Miriam, I can't believe you treat me this way also. Gods of our land, who did I offend to deserve this? I am not the first to be orphaned. And even the only parent I have, my stepmother, has refused to take me as her own child. And my own blood sister maltreats me as well. That I curse you, taking away my parents. I am not worthy of living again. I am not afraid of death any longer. Kill me. I feel like dying.
Should I give up or try again?
Women and their attitude. I think I need to try again.
Where do I start from? Oh, God.
join his ancestors. No one climb his throne until the seal is found. Oh no, do not say I did not warn you. The one.
Oh no, the seal disappeared. Abomination.
I am not afraid of the missing seal, for I know it must be found. And we will have another king in our land. Let's go.
Why have you refused to get married all these years? Since your mother died, things have not been easy for me. I've been facing a lot of difficulties. God of our land. I want to carry my grandchildren before I join my ancestors, Wara.
Papa, that shouldn't be bothering you now. Eh? The anlam yukuru, anlam 9, anugum. You know here problem. So we anugum. Stop thinking too much, Papa. Eh? I've heard you. No problem.
Have you heard what I said? Yes, Mama. So what did you hear? Who stole my beads? You know me now. You know me, the one that I have given you. You are still crying from it. So who stole my beads?
Mama, I'm saying the truth. I didn't see the bead.
You didn't steal it or you didn't see it? Which one?
Mama, I didn't steal it. I didn't see it. Afuromia.
Ifuro bead?
Yes, Mama.
Yeah, Onye zuziri bead. Onye zuru bead? Hey, Odemma. Onye diri hiki stay bead. Makara, somebody must have sent you to come and steal my bead. Who sent you?
Mama, nobody sent me.
Who sent you?
Nobody.
Wamaka.
Mama.
Wamaka.
Mama.
How many times did I call you? Wamaka, who sent you to steal my bead?
Mama, nobody sent me.
Because I know. And you also know. My daughter, you know. And I also know. My sweet girl. My innocent girl. You know she cannot do that. So if she didn't do it, and you are saying you didn't do it, who now did?
Mama, I don't know. From your mama.
From your mama. Now, what I want to tell you is that you will not eat in this hut for 2 days.
Mama.
What is Mama? You will not eat in this hut until you tell me who asked you to steal my video or where you have kept it. You bring it and give it back to me.
Afufu ebwemu, yuwegizi never bibe. Nemo na namo, biko no bia moromo. Afufu ebwemu, yuwegizi never bibe. Nemo na namo, biko no bia moromo. Uambelo wemo, nemo ya urumjebe.
No, there.
Mbo.
I don't know why my son Wara is so blind to pick a wife in this Ugbene kingdom.
Anyway, I don't really know.
Okay.
like that? Have we ever hugged before?
Mama, as I was walking today in the farm, a strange maiden appeared to me and finished all my work.
There is nothing you will not see. A strange maiden came. Can the one who disappear appeared to you. And you want me to believe it? So, in the time now, they can maybe believe you.
Mama, I am saying the truth.
The truth, eh? I cannot believe it. Because I know that there are men, so many of them out there. You go opening your legs to each and every one of them who care. Yes!
No, Mama.
And I remember you have been doing it, and so that they will not come and then help you to do your work. That is what I know, and that is what is happening.
I hope all is well with her. This is so strange to me. Please, gods of our land, protect her for me. I think I need to go and see Mora. Mora? Look at it. I think Onyeka is in danger. Onyeka. How? The way I saw Onyeka in my dream in the forest got me worried.
You saw Onyeka in your dream?
Exactly.
Look at it. This is strange. The gods of our land. This is strange. Look at it. This is strange. Yes! The gods of our land. Well, you told me some days ago that you visit her. Do you later achieve that?
Yes, I did. It was when we were talking at Imrima birthday. Then picked her up and they left. And that ended our conversation.
Kadike, this is strange. This is strange. The gods of our land. Okay, so Badro, I will make a chance to check on her. Yes. I'll make a chance to check on her. Okay. This is strange.
Okay. What is it? What is it? What is it? You want to wash your hands? Come on. I want to wash your hands. The man needs to see your Hey! He's going to make a very good deal long. I'm telling you. The big farmer. He's a very good farmer. If you go to his farmland. Look at that. What is it? Don't worry. Eat it now. You don't want to eat again. Are you not hungry again? Eat it now. Go and sit down because you are making me dizzy. You are making me dizzy. Get back now. Mama, it's so sweet, so delicious.
This is a mystery. A very big mystery indeed. That the seal fell off from the hand of Igwe and just disappeared. I'm still surprised at that. That means our land is in danger. There is trouble in the land. And how can we crown a new king without the seal? There's a big trouble indeed.
Who are you? I am Adani, the princess of justice and fairness. I've come to protect you. Protect me. Fear not, for I am with you.
She's the daughter of Odokonamba, second wife of late Mazio Obuasi. So, Nai, I told him, Kidrum, Isrum, I got the bear.
What am I, son?
No,
that's good. That's what I've been expecting from you. You are indeed my son. You know, a lion does not give birth to a sheep. Consider it done.
Thank you, Nai.
Now you have come.
I know the way you feel, my dear daughter.
I don't want to do that. Let no eyes see this bead.
Let the will of the gods be done. Oh! Take it easy now. Sorry, my dear. Sorry. Take it easy.
Izani, you know you are the only Ezemo we have in this our land. Since the death of Izonodugo, Ezemo, please, what shall we do to have another king?
Oh no! I have warned you before, and I am still warning you again. Unless the seal is found, there shall be no king. And I'm warning you again. No king! I said no king!
You again? What do you want this time? Don't eat that food! Do not eat that food! And which food are you talking about? Don't eat it! Could it be that those smiles on her face are fake?
How was it?
Fine. Mama, what is it? Are you okay?
Okay. How are you? So, how was your night?
My night was great, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Are you okay?
Yes.
You did?
Yes, Mama.
Did you enjoy it?
Very well, Mama. You know, it's been long I ate your food.
Is your stomach not disturbing you?
No. But the food was nice.
Why did you wake up so late now?
Mama, you know it's been long I ate your food. So I really enjoyed it. That was why I slept off and woke up late. But let me rush and do it.
Rush.
I will.
My dress incomplete. What is my symbol of priesthood? My feet. God! God! What's happening to me? Ghost of Orlando. Where am I?
come and meet you here? You want her to come and meet you here?
Mirima, please.
Please what?
Don't do this to me.
Somebody.
Remember, you are the only sister I have.
The last time I checked, I am the only child of my parents. I don't have a sister, and I can never have an iroko tree like you. Stand up.
Mirima,
I don't want to force you.
Where will I go to?
Oh, really? You will go to the evil forest. That's where idiots like you belong. Come. Move. I will jack you. Okay, you can't do it. You can just do this to me. See, I didn't even know that it will get to this. If there's anybody to blame, it should be my mother, not me. Please.
Minima, can you just let me be? Eh? Can you just let me be? Before my father comes back, leave this place now. I'm no longer interested. Leave me.
You can't tell me to leave you.
Leave me alone. I'm no longer interested.
If you said I should leave you, where will I go?
Your papa's house. Olampage.
A very stubborn goat. You want to know now? Look at my daughter. Very, very, very obedient daughter that I am. She does everything I want her to do. Ihe niile m chọrọ ka o mee ka ọ na-eme. Nke a ewu. Mmiri m. Mma, ọ gịnị? What is it?
Mama, you shouldn't have thrown her away now. Where will she sleep or go to?
Are you okay? Huh? Oh, there is nothing in this your head, okay? At all. You don't understand anything. Don't you know that her absence from this house is a plus for you? A big plus. And, my dear, everything your father has now belongs to you. That is what I'm saying.
But Mama, she's also my sister. She's my sister.
Yeah.
Hey, that reminds me.
Okay.
Do you know about the dream you told me about?
Yes,
that dream
yes,
was
yes.
real. The dream was real. Oh, my name.
You know my spirit cannot lie.
Hi, my brother. Do you know Minima?
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you believe that the mother chased away Wamaka from the house?
I haven't seen Wamaka.
You've not seen her? Haven't you heard? They chased her out after the maltreatment. Her stepmother chased her out.
What?
Hey, so after all that, her stepmother succeeded in chasing her out.
You don't even know what is going on in this kingdom. Odu Konamba is a very wicked woman. She's a very wicked woman, no? She chased her out. Very wicked.
Where could he be? You see where to be found? I searched everywhere. Where could Okadike be? Okay. Okadike!
tired of all these maltreatments. That's why have you chosen to keep me in this condition? Mother, where are you? Father, where are you? I know wherever you are seeing me. Please run to my rescue. Adani, where are you? You promised to be a friend. Fear not, for a helper is coming soon. Do not be afraid. A helper is on his way coming. Where were you all this while? Why will you allow me to pass through all this?
Hey, because of our land. Why is this woman called Odokanamba is so wicked to her own stepdaughter? Try. Mwamaka, you have suffered a lot. May the gods of our land protect you wherever you are. Mwamaka, it shall not be well with your Odokanamba.
What matter?
Ukadike, how did you get here?
Where have you been? I've been looking for you for this.
Who are you? Fear not. I am the spirit of your late mother, Ugodia. Ukadike, stretch forth your hand. The seal. Through you, kingship shall be restored in Ugbene kingdom. Ukadike, take care of my daughter. Mother.
Ezani.
Kadiki, Mamata, may the gods be praised. I'll follow them.
It's not the chief priest that Mamata.
Ndukadike.
Yes.
Let's go live dance.
Before you, it's Ukadike.
Prince, you're not with your guys today.
Well, must I come with my guards whenever I'm coming to see my Ehonaya? You know, anytime I look at you, I always see the future queen, the future king of Ugbene kingdom. And you know what that is? You know? Oh, Asam. Oh, Oyom. Ehonanyam. See, you know, this place is open. So I think we should look for somewhere hidden. Let's go. Follow me. Listen, let me tell you. And you know, it's a taboo. My father, he has this. You see, I didn't come here with any of the palace guards. This has to be between the both of us. Do not ever let anyone know about it. Take. Make sure you drink it. Go.
What did I do?
The one through whom the seal is found. Oh no, you cannot perform the coronation.
As you know of our kingdom, and as our tradition demands, that the Igwe must be crowned in the shrine of Ani. I hereby crown you, Igwe Chimakwa, the Ezuku II of Ugbene Kingdom.
My king, you cannot stand up.
We cannot have a king in
My people of Ugbene Kingdom, I greet you all. May we live to see tomorrow, because tomorrow never ends.
Mama Chikwema, I really appreciate you. I am very, very happy for you. Before, I used to call you my daughter. But now, I am proud to call you my queen. I'm happy for you, Mama.
Jai, because of our land, I can now rest very well and come to the palace. Oh my gosh.
Thank you, Mama.
Afufu ebwemu, yuwegizi nebo bibi, nemo na namo, biko no bia moromo. Afufu ebwemu, yuwegizi nebo bibi, nemo na namo, biko no bia moromo. Uambelo wemo, nemura purum jebe, namura purum jebe. Onyeka mgakoro, obi agbawa mo, arịrị bụ mo, obi agbawa mo, akwa juru m obi. Onyeka mgakoro, onyeka mgakoro, onyeka mgakoro, ije ụwa mo. Afufu egwemo, afufu egwemo, afufu egwemo. Ijo amo, afufu egwemo. Iwegizi nebo bibe, nemo na namo. Biko no bia moromo, afufu egwemo. Iwegizi nebo bibe, nemo na namo. Biko no bia moromo. Uambelo wemo, nemo rapurum jebe, namo rapurum jebe. Onyeka mgakoro, obi agbawa mo, arịrịrị bụ mo, obi agbawa mo, akwa juru m obi. Onyeka mgakoro, onyeka mgakoro.